What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lex's Hair, and I'm back again with another hair review slash install type of shebang. Today I am going to obviously attempt to install a V-part wig. The wig is from UNice hair and I got it in 24 inches. The hair goes completely down to my belly button. I did get the body wave texture, but obviously it straightens very well, and it also holds a great curl. But I just decided to stick with it just straight because I just feel like it just went with what I got going on. So before we get into the actual video, like I said, V-part wig, 24 inches, body wave, bomb hair by the way. So the wig obviously came in a box, and inside the box was this baggie right here. All right, so inside the little baggie we have this elastic band actually to help you when you're ready to lay your lace or your edges, and I think this is definitely going to come in handy 100%. So I'm definitely going to be using this probably in one of my next videos that you guys see me do an actual wig install in. We got a tan wig cap. We got a scarf that says UNice hair. Then we have another baggie inside that also has their logo on there. Inside here we have another tan wig cap, a weave brush, and another scarf, and also some lashes, and these actually look like some good lashes. And then lastly, which kind of caught me by surprise, is this UNice hair logo robe. I needed a robe, how did I know? But if you guys are interested in seeing me try to finesse this V-part wig without any type of with minimal leave out and kind of like masking my natural hair without actually having to put any heat on it, stay tuned, keep watching, and we're gonna get right into it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna hop right into this install. Obviously y'all can see Miss Bobby Anna is very much shrunken. I don't have anything in my hair but conditioner, but obviously the shrinkage is real. Like I said, I am Miss Bobby Anna now, so one thing we're gonna do is grow our hair back, so we ain't worried about that. But I'm gonna show you guys the inside construction of the wig so that we can get into actually installing it. Now I'm gonna show y'all how it's supposed to be installed, and then I'm gonna do what I want to do afterwards, so do as you please. So we have 28 inches of body wave, and obviously like I said before, it's a V-part wig. I'm gonna unpin it so you guys can see the inside construction. We have a comb in the back, we have adjustable straps, and then on each side we have a comb that will go into our hair. And then on the edges of the actual V, we have the regular clips, kind of like how clip-ins look. So one thing that I wanted to mention is basically the inside construction is basically like a lace closure wig, and then they just cut a line in the middle of the lace closure, if you guys can see. Only thing is it's done on black lace so that it's kind of like masked. So like I said, I am going to show y'all what you're supposed to do, and then we're gonna do what we want to do. So, and I'm gonna take my jumbo scrunchie. If you guys want to shop my jumbo scrunchies, make sure you guys check the description box for my website. So I'm gonna just put my hair in this jumbo scrunchie. We have the comb in the back. I don't really care for that because it's kind of like painful to me. And then we have the four, there we go. We have the four around the actual part. So the key is to secure your clips right along your part, like so. And in the part. Now that that's done, obviously my edges are still kind of sticking out. We're gonna push them back and insert the combs. This is like a perfect on the go type of thing. Now my problem with this is I prefer to be more seamless, and this is just giving me very much messy on the go, if you know what I mean. I feel like that's very detectable. So I'm gonna comb this out. And I'm going to try and redo it. Okay, there we go. Super close to the part. I know that's right. Okay. Oh, shoot. All right, let's try the other side again. I'm just such a wig girl that like something that's built for people who use leave out is probably not for me, because the whole point is to keep my hair protected. So that looks like that's the closest I'm gonna be able to get it, but like I said, it's not seamless enough for me. So I've seen some people going through and kind of pulling up the roots of their hair to kind of like hide it. But honestly, I feel like that just works better with the straight one. I mean, with the curly one. Get the idea, but it's just not hitting for me. And to me, it's not giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving very much closure, sew-in. Hair is very pretty, but this specific method is not for me. So we finna finesse this and style it the way I want to style it. So I'm just gonna part off like the front section of my hair. Literally just like right here. Whew, this is the struggle, honey. Okay. There goes that. And now, two-strand twisting. All the way down. Then same thing. The whole point is to mask the fact that my hair is not straight. So just bear with me because we're trying to figure this out. I like a little challenge, but right about now, I'm 0 to 1 right now with this wig. Now it is secure. I'm gonna take it back out. Let's pull it a little bit closer. That way the twist kind of covers up the beginning part of it. this is what we've come up with. I think this is pretty decent compared to what it was in the beginning. Now I am going to do a little bit of makeup and I'm gonna come back so we can bring it all together, because right now we're looking a little busted, but overall I think we might have finessed it, especially for my people who don't necessarily want to straighten their hair or do too much leave out. I feel like this is the perfect method to kind of mask it. The twists kind of cover up the beginning part of the actual lace or the clips or whatever, and then you just clip it really close to your part and it'll look a little bit more realistic. And my real hair is tucked away so you can't really tell, edges is laid, and then we good to go. I'm gonna come back. I'll be back.